Hi, I'm Sequoiah. My new channel, Simply Sequoiah. I'm coming on over from Project Tree Collared. And I've hit a new phase of life where I'm leaving Project Tree Collared. I am leaving my work and what's been my passion for the last 10 years, and I'm stepping into the unknown. And this is really common with women around this age to suddenly feel complete with certain aspects of our lives, or just done caretaking, done with certain aspects of how we've lived our lives as women up until this point, where things just tend to no longer serve us. So I'm turning 55 soon, and I've just been on this journey of like health and wellness and nutrition and ecology and gardening. I mean, many of these journeys have been going on my whole life, but uh, dance, solo backpacking, growing my own food and homesteading, starting a homestead from scratch, moving to a new town during the pandemic where I'm still feeling relatively new, living in nature, living where there are bears and bobcats and coyotes and all kinds of wildlife. And it's a time where, as women, historically, we haven't shared about this journey that we're going through. And we shouldn't be embarrassed by it or apologetic in any way. Specifically, 100% of women go through this journey. Why is it not more talked about? I remember being in my 40s and wanting to talk to older women about their journey. What is menopause? What is it like? What could I glean from what was ahead from other women's voices? And I actually really didn't get much. I have a lot to share. I have a lot of life experiences from having traveled the world and spent vast amounts of time immersed in spirituality and living in India and having a landscaping business for 20 years and now an online plant nursery for 10 years, where I've been go, 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 achieve, achieve, achieve as like a coping mechanism for other things that were lacking in my inner world. So over the last few years, I've been doing a ton of inner work, which is never done, but I'm on this journey of just becoming more myself. So for me, it's just been kind of going through the whole thing blindfolded. Like, I don't know where I'm going. Where am I headed? Not sure what's going on. What's this about? And I want to take away the shame around this very natural, wonderful process that can feel totally topsy turvy and knock us completely off of our feet. So, yes, during this time, I've chosen to leave my work of 10 years, my business that I built from scratch, and pass it on to someone else and to just go bravely forward into the unknown. So, join me on this journey. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel so you can come along for the journey and don't miss any content.